all's well. Today is, not sure, someday in April. April 13, 14. Hope all's well. I'm going to a call that I installed the other day, but I didn't start it up. I didn't crack the valves. R32 Fujitsu. R32 Fujitsu. Nice unit. It's ducted. Just a single zone, 1-tonner. But it's nice. The old one was the Halcyon ducted, but it had a leak, like severe leak. It was leaking twice a year, 410. So I'm gonna go start it up, check it out, see what's going on with it. Hopefully it's a perfection install. I think that my vacuum was like down to like 190 or something. It's nice. I have it on it. I'll show it in this video, other than like a clip. But anyway, hope all is well. It's 60 degrees out, 65 degrees out in New York, Connecticut right now, and it's beautiful. I have my t-shirt on. It's nice. So that's it. It's been a minute. I haven't been filming like that, little by little, getting back in the New York swing of things. And that's it. Let's check it out. Bosco's a monster. There's the AIRSTAGE. Nice. All in with the new, right?
What year is that?
2004. This one?
Yeah.
I think it's 04.
I noticed there's a lot of 04s are going bad.
Well, it's 2025-ish.
Yeah.
Right? Dusty Musty over here. I used to work with a guy named Dusty Musty. Oh, together with the barrels in your mouth.
Okay.
Nice. That's good. Keep it negative. It's the perfection of the job. Alright, I got the control that, like I said, they don't offer.
That's a nice deck, bro. You need that screwdriver still.
You're always thinking, buddy. This is the new control for the AIRSTAGE, so we had to put from the old Halcyon. Let's go check outside. Put this plate back on too. Yeah, the big number. 80, okay. So you're already good money. 111, beautiful. It's the last year. Me and my coworker put in another guy, Eric. It runs great. I just told her I would check it out for her. Just went through the system. Supply and return are great. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care. That was just a quick startup. Thank you.